Hello, this is Hayden Young. This is my submission for assignment 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an explanation of my code, and then I'm going to show you it working on the ZedBoard. So if you look here, the first thing that my code does is it loads the address of the LEDs. And then the second thing it does on this line is it loads the position of the first LED into R1. And then it's gonna go ahead and activate the LED using the store command. And then it's going to branch over to csd main.c. And what it does over here is it runs through all the switches on the board and determines how much delay it should have. So here's the active switch, and then if the active switch is, switch 7, then it'll run 1 million operations down here, 2 million, 3 million, and so on and so forth. And it gives most priority to R7, and then it descends down. So even if you have another switch activated, R7 is always gonna be the one that counts, or the higher one is always gonna count. So after it's run through this, it'll come back over here, and then it's gonna move to the next LED by doing a logical shift left. And it's going to do the same thing again. It's just going to activate the LED, and then it's going to choose the delay by branching to csd underscore main. And it's going to do this until it reaches the last LED, and then it's going to loop back to the start endlessly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and build this. And okay, there it is. Now I'm going to run it. Now let's come over here and take a look at the ZedBoard. As you can see, it's looping around. So if I turn on this switch, it goes much faster. And then if I turn on this switch and this switch, you'll see it does nothing because this switch has lower priority. So let's turn both those switches off and then run this one. See, it's a little bit faster now. Turn on this one, does nothing. And so on and so forth. So yeah, that's all.